Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another easy-to-follow tutorial to supercharge your affiliate marketing. Today, we're showing you how to get started with Youproxy, a top-notch proxy provider that's perfect for managing multiple accounts. We'll keep it simple, clear, and actionable so you can hit the ground running. Let's dive in. Why Youproxy? They've been a trusted name for nearly 10 years, delivering fast proxies with speeds up to 1 gigabit. You get a huge selection of locations, affordable prices for private proxies, and a variety of subnets to choose from. Plus, their 24/7 support is always there to help you out, day or night. It's the perfect setup for scaling your affiliate marketing like a pro. Step 1. Sign up for your Youproxy account. First things first, head over to youproxy.io. Links in the description below. Once you're there, find the Register button and give it a click. Enter your email, set a strong password, and hit Register. That's it. You'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can manage all your proxies with ease. Step 2. Create your custom proxy plan. Now, let's build your proxy plan. On your dashboard, click New Order to get started. You'll see options like IPv4, IPv6, ISP, or mobile proxies. For this tutorial, we'll pick IPv4, great for most affiliate marketing tasks. Choose your country from their wide range of locations. Let's go with Australia as an example. Next, type in your proxy's purpose like Google Ads for running ad campaigns. Select your rental period, anywhere from a week to a year. For this, let's choose 1 week. Decide how many proxies you want, say 10. Here's a bonus. Click Promo Code and type in Weenboy to grab 10% off your order. Pick your payment method. Options include Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or even crypto. You can also add funds through the Balance section. When you're ready, agree to the terms, click Make Order, and your proxies will be ready in your account in seconds. And there you go. You're all set to power up your affiliate marketing with Youproxy's fast, reliable, and affordable proxies. Don't forget to use the promo code WEENBOY to save 10% on your plan. If this tutorial helped you, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let us know your questions in the comments. Keep rocking your affiliate game. See you in the next video.